Good morning, class 10. How are you guys doing? I guess you all are doing great, fine, and exams are on your head, right? I guess I don't know when this video is going to be put on website because I have other classes of your previous videos of English, so that's going to go up. So I guess this will be going up on Friday. So today is the 15th, 16th. 17th, 19th. So 19th you might get it on Friday. So you'll be watching this. So best of luck for your exams. Don't be tensed. Everything is going to have four options. MCQs will be there, and you have to go through it. So I advise you, and I hope you take heed of my advice. Read your chapters properly. The way I explain, read into the chapter and understand it. If you understand it, nothing is going to stop you from answering any MCQs. Okay, so that's the way you learn. It's not about only the question answers at the back. So I prefer that you guys please follow that system by learning what is there in the book and not at the back. So back is important. It's not that it's not important. It is important, to answer questions at the back. So basically, if you know your chapter, you will be able to answer any questions which will be thrown to you, and there'll be options. So if you read your chapter, you'll know what are the options there, right? So let's, without ado, let's wasting time. Let's start this Annie Frank's. From the diary of Annie Frank, I'll just do some few questions. I'll just tell you. Do you keep a diary? Given below under A are some terms which use to describe a written record or personal experience. Can you match them with the description under B? So the answer is a journal is a full record of a journey, a period of time or an event written every day. Diary is a book with a separate page, with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. Okay, separate part by part. And journal is a full record. A log is a written record of events with dates and times, usually official, that is logging in or logins. Memoirs are a record of person's own life and experiences, usually a famous person. There's memories. So those are the records we keep. Question 2, here are some entries from personal records. Use the definitions above to decide which of the entries might be from a diary, a journal, a log, or a memoir. I woke up very late today and promptly got a scolding from mom. I can't help it. How can I miss the FIFA World Cup matches? So answer is going to be diary. Okay. Number 2 is 10:30 a.m. Went to the office of the director. 1 p.m. had lunch with the chairman. 5:45 p.m. Received Rahul at the airport at 9:30 p.m. dinner at home. That is a login. The ride to Ooty was eventful. We rested for a while every 50 kilometers or so and used the time to capture the magnificent landscape with my handycam from Ooty. We went to Bangalore. What a contrast. The noise and pollution of this once beautiful city really broke my heart. Journal. This is how Raj Kapoor found me, all wet and ragged outside RK Studios. He was then looking for just someone like this for a small role in Mera Naam Joker, and he cast me on the spot. The rest, as they say, is history. It's a memory. Oral comprehension check. Question 3. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Annie Frank? See, I am saying it. If you can write it, well and good. Otherwise, you make your own answers. I cannot force you, right? So, what makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Annie Frank? Answer is, writing in a diary was a strange experience for Annie Frank, as she never had a diary and it was a gift on her 13th birthday. She considered it her best friend on which she relied the most and with whom she shared all her ups and downs. Okay, if you can't, if I'm too fast, pause it, go back and listen to it. You'll be able to do it. Question 4. Why does Annie want to keep a diary? Answer. Annie always feels lonely and distressed, so to get off all the burden and pain, she wants to keep a diary in which she finds a true friend, as she has hardly any friends whom she could confide in. Confide in. I have given you this meaning also. Question 5. Why did Annie think she could confide more in her diary than in people? I'll repeat that. Why did Annie think she could confide more in her diary than in people? Answer. Annie felt that paper was more patience than people to listen to her plight. So it was easier for her to write all kind of thoughts which she had in her mind. Her personal diary was not meant for anyone else to read. Okay. Question 6. Why does Annie provide a brief sketch of her life? Answer is, by providing a brief sketch of her life, Annie wants to give an overview of her family, relatives, and her age. This helps the reader to develop a connection with the author. Who is the reader? The diary. Who is the author? Annie Frank. So if you take it in that way. Okay, so the author here is Annie Frank herself, and we are the readers if we take it that way. Question 7. What tells you that Annie loved her grandmother? Now, Annie lived with her grandmother for some time while her parents settled down in Holland. She was very close to her grandmother. She writes in her diary, "Now no one knows how often I think of her and still love her." No one even asks, or even no one knows, only her diary knows. On her 13th birthday, by lighting up one candle for her grandmother, she shows her love for her. I'll repeat that. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her, inverted commas. On her 13th birthday, by lighting up one candle for grandmother, she shows her love for her. Okay? Why was Mr. Keesing annoyed with Annie? What did he ask her to do? Mr. Keesing was annoyed with Annie because she was talkative. He punished her by giving her extra homework to write essays to keep her silent, and the topics always related to her nature. 9. How did Annie justify her being a chatterbox in her essay? Annie justified her being a chatterbox in her essay by explaining that it is due to her mother, who was also very talkative, and nobody could do anything about their inherited traits. Traits, Traits. Okay, next video.